Once you bring something into After Effects, and then you go back to the original file and make some changes, those changes will appear in After Effects as well. So the files from here stay linked to the original versions. Let's have a look at how that's done. For example, in here, we brought the Illustrator file as a composition retaining the layer sizes, and you can see that the composition is here, together with the layers which are inside this folder. If I open that folder up, I can go and find the sun layer here, so it's here, the sun. If I select this, I can either press Ctrl E or Command E on the keyboard, or I can go to the Edit menu here and then select Edit Original down here. And this will launch the application that was used to create the file. In this case, it's Illustrator. So I can now go and select my sun. Let's say I want to change the color of the sun from being a solid color into, let's say, a gradient. So if I go and double click on this, if I then select this color, then go to my appearance and change the fill to, let's say, a gradient, and let me edit this gradient as well. I'll just go and make this a radial gradient. There. And maybe take some of these stops out. Let's say I take this one out as well, and then maybe this one out as well. And then I'll make this a slightly lighter color, so I'm going to go double click and make this a bit more of a yellowish color like that. And then I'll just go and click outside, and in fact double clicked to come out of this group. And there we just updated the sun. And all I have to do now is to go to File and Save. And as soon as we switch back to After Effects, the sun should update there as well. So let's have a look. If I go and minimize Illustrator, and if I select After Effects here, you see the sun here updates automatically as well. And you can do this over and over again. But just keep in mind, as you're doing this, you are updating the original file. So if this is something you don't want to do, I would recommend creating a backup file and working on that.